Guys, it is a little bit later. I have been feeling so tired, like, because I went in bed thinking, okay, I'm gonna rest, and then when I got up I felt more tired than I did when I went to rest. But I'm up. I've been trying to edit a vlog. I'm waiting for somebody to send me a little clip that I want to insert in it, and I was also trying to figure out like copyright things because I don't want to get copyrighted, and like I'm usually really good on it. But like in the vlog that I'm posting, it's my day 2 vlog. I know I'm posting really late, but we were like singing and the songs are in there. So I'm going to set the Christmas tree up. I want to do some fake presents, but I might do that a little later on. I don't know. Should I do that now? I don't know. We'll see. We will be putting real gifts under the tree at some point. I just don't want to put them in right now. I also haven't done my Christmas shopping. I don't know if I will do that much Christmas shopping. I'm ranting. Anyways, after that I want to go to the gym because I wasn't gonna go after waking up, but I was like, if I don't go, nobody's gonna go for me, so I'm gonna go. I think we can still save the day, as in like we can still be productive and use the rest of the day to do what I have to do, you know. But yeah, let's go. I want to move that desk and put it here, and then put the tree up here.